Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Bayu Cahyo Utomo, number 7.
My name is Anudang Oropasan, number 13.
My name is Monica Rizka Prastiana, number 19.
Lulus ding bilang gue deh. Lulus.
My name is Fauzi, number 20.
Preface. Praise the writer, pray to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has bestowed with grace, knowledge, and guidance, so that and the author can carry out interesting work practice and be able to complete the report on time and without any significant obstacles. This report is prepared based on what the author has done well in the industry, namely at the VOC Bakery, which is located at Jalan MT Haryono, Pandian, Temanggung, Distrik Temanggung, Jawa Tengah, starting from February to April 2021. In preparing this report, the author received on a lot help from various partners. Therefore, author would like the explain his gratitude. 1. Miss Astar Aswini SPD MPD as the principal of the Temanggung 2 Vocation Big School. 2. Miss Sri Sugiyarti SPD as the head of the culinary profession. 3. Miss Fakia Widya SPD as the school supervisor. 4. Miss Vivina Sari SPD as the mentor of the business world. 5. Miss Mr. of Vocation High School to Temanggung Education and Academic Year 2012. 7. Another parent who have support morally and materially, as well as other related parties who have helped alert in the implementation of industrial work press and the completion this report. The rate admin that the read is not perfect. This later there are mistakes in writing this report. This report, the word really hopes for his cream and suggestion. Finally, I hope this industry work press report and profit many benefit for all asmen. Amin.
Next.
Ayo next semua.
Sudah beri aku waktu. Chapter 1 Introduction. 1.1 Background of Work Practice Program or PKL. PKL is an activity that combines two educational system that emphasize the linkage and equivalence, link and match of student to learning and training program based on the vocational high school curriculum with an orientation to the implementation of job training in the business or industrial world, so that it is expected to be able to read us the gap between the qualification need by the work and the quality of graduates product by vocational high school. From the implementation of this field PKL, it is hope that the graduates of vocational high school
Christian high school really
have met the qualification for the world of work and are truly ready to enter the world of work. 1.2 Problem statement of PKL. 1. What are the obstacles that were felt while running the internship at the VOT bakery? 2. Is there an interest in the ability or skills that have been felt by vocational students while doing internship at VOT bakery? 3. What are the benefits that have been obtained by students and students after doing internship activities at VOT bakery? 4. How do you deal with the competition in the world of work after working and experiencing it yourself in the field? 1.3 Purpose of the PKL. Purpose and objective of street vendors. 1. Increase insight in the world of work. 2. Train yourself according to your competence in the world of work. 3. Train apply knowledge and skills. 4. Train students to communicate experience in the form of report and papers. 5. Train yourself in the quality of discipline both at home, school, and in the world of work.
6.
7. And explore skills.
1.
1.4
1.4 Time and place of job training. 1. Time for job training. Compilers carry out street vendors starting from February 1 to April 22 2021 2021 to field work practice. Compilers carry out street vendors at the VOC Bakery Temanggung, which is location on Jalan MT Haryono Pandian Temanggung 2, Distrik Temanggung, Jawa Tengah. Chapter 2 Discussion. 2.1 Institution profile VOC's bakery that makes bread beside on customer request in the word made by order is done by skilled hands who are experienced in making bread, so the result are very eye tasting and delicious. Models or dashing of breeds or breeds of customer requests according to customer tester band desires of customers request dashing by our employees in addition to making visit of customer request, this also profits product from our design that are ready for sale. All product made in the shop are always fresh and attractive. The process of making checks in done careful, done in detail, also adding importance to the hygiene of our product to finishing. 2.2 supporting factor of the work practice program. Supporting factor A. There is material and spiritual support and encouragement from parents, siblings, and friends to carry out industrial work practice program. B. Companies that support and accept
Lanjut. Ayo lanjut sih, rapopo. Accept. Ayo lanjut. Ayo deh, lanjut. Ajeng bu, cepet nenek tadi. Ayo.
accept berarti. B. Companies that support and accept risks to the industrial work practice program by guiding the teaching writers. 2.3 Obstacle factor on the work practice program.
A. Lack of knowledge and going give to writer to deal with industrial work practice activities. B. Limit facilities provided by the school when doing industrial job training prakarin. Chapter 3 closing 3.1 1. During the industry
Conclusion.
in conclusion to following final report is 1. During the industrial work practice prakarin, the author find his identity will being and interacting in the wider community. 2. Interacting with or
being
involved in the business world is not very easy. There are many things that need to be done so that the people we are going to work we can be impressed by what we are doing or doing.
3.2 Suggestion.
3.2 Suggestion. Here are some of the wider suggestions of school and for department, namely 1. The author hope the school discipline is emphasized. 2. The learning process in enhanced. 3. Each department must be exercised during practice hours. 4. And also so the teacher always provide motivation and guidance to student of vocation high school to Temanggung.
Sekian dari kami, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.